Hey guys, so I want to do a quick video on my favorite Too Faced products. Too Faced is my favorite brand of makeup. I love the consistency and the colors and just the overall look even of the packaging itself. Really quick, just an outfit of the day. I am wearing these babe earrings, this pretty necklace that my sister bought me. It has two palm trees and a bodysuit from Forever 21 that reads the Hamptons, and these really cute shorts from Discovery. I got these a while ago, so I'm really loving this outfit today. Yeah, I was so excited. I'm excited that I bought this shirt. I wasn't sure about the green at first, but now I really love it. It's cute for summer, and then I just curled my hair up. So yeah, we are ready to go. Bye. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button down below for more videos, and let's get into it. Now, this is a collection that I've had over the years, so some stuff is pretty old, but I do still keep it all because I just love it so much. And yeah, so one of the first things that I got was this palette called Sugar and Spice, and it came as the holiday collection. What year is this even from? 2014. So this is about 4 years old, and these are the beautiful colors. So there's like mauve colors, pink tones, brown tones, and then there's a black for like a liner, or you can use it as a shadow too, but just very beautiful colors, and the consistency is very rich. I like more creamy colors and creamy textures on my skin. I feel like they just look very pretty and they're not dried out, and I'm just gonna show you some of the colors. Like, they are just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Their pigments are great, and their textures, like I said, are creamy and beautiful. So I've just always loved Too Faced. So this is the Sugar and Spice palette, and if I could find them online, I will put some links below so that you can get your own. This is another item from around the same time. I do still use this today. I mean, this is probably my second one or my third one that I've had. So I went through a few because I love the colors. So this one, I cannot find it. This is the Snow Bunny bronzer, and you can use this as a highlighter. That's what I like to do. So you can use all the colors, or you can mix up just some of them. And then this is a bronzer that I use, and as you can see, I use this very often. And then there's some really pretty eyeshadows in here. There was a lip gloss. I don't think I still have it because it's so old. Probably, oh, here it is. I do have it. So it's the Naked Dolly lip gloss, which goes right in here. And I love that they always do little packages. Like I think it was this one that also came with a Better Than Sex mascara and an eyeliner. So sometimes you'll get like a complete look, which is really nice. And yeah, so I love that they do that kind of stuff. And again, their packaging is always cute. This is a little tin, so it keeps it nice and protected. And let's get on to the next one. This is another one of their little palettes, and the nice thing about the palettes like this, their eyeshadow palettes, is they'll actually show you looks. So this is actually, I still use these as like ideas for eyeshadow looks, and I just repeat these looks with different colors. So I just always use these cards, and that kind of helps me determine how I'm going to do my makeup, which is really nice because sometimes you have an eyeshadow palette, and I'm not a makeup artist, so it helps to have a guide of how to use the colors because they are so pretty that you're like, man, where do I put this one or that one? And then once you start learning, you do it on your own. But if you've never done makeup before, Too Faced palettes are really great because they have those little cards as a guide. This one I know is available at TJ Maxx. I actually saw it, and this is one of my favorite ones that I've ever owned. It's called Boudoir Eyes, and I wore this one in the winter, but as you can see, two of them were completely gone because I used this like crazy. But the colors are just really beautiful. I'm really into like taupe and mauve tones and browns and purples. It's just what I like. So that's exactly what this palette was or is. And yeah, that's another one. And then again, it comes with the little packet on top. Like this one is just on one piece of paper, but it tells you how to do your eyeshadow. And this one here, this day look right here, this is the eyeshadow look that I do like every day of my life with no matter what eyeshadows I'm using, and it always works. So I just think it's really pretty. And I never throw these away. Then this palette is one of the newer ones. It is the Cat Eyes palette. So really cute. I honestly haven't used this one too much yet, but I can't wait to use the colors. Again, they're very pinky tones. They have some blue in it, which is cool. I might try it out, but I don't know how blue would look on me. That might be a video idea I could do, look with this palette, just because it's so different than what I would wear. Yeah, it's really pretty. This one comes with a mirror, and then again, it has all the looks that you can do. So maybe what I'll do is I'll take one of these cards and kind of do different looks that you can do with this palette. This is really cute. Love it. Now, two of the newer palettes that I have, I've been using a lot lately, and one of them is the Peanut Butter and Honey palette, which has some gorgeous bronze tones. And before, I was definitely not into these very like yellow or bronzy or peachy shades, but let me tell you, these colors are gorgeous. Like when I wear these colors, I always get compliments on them. They're just very beautiful, and they're just like, look at this. This is called Sweet as Honey. This is Sweet as Honey. I mean, creamed honey. This creamed honey one is beautiful. Like, oh, it's shimmery and pretty. And again, it comes with this little packet that tells you how to do your eyeshadow and a mirror. So you're all set to go. And it's protected in a beautiful little tin. This is so cute. Like I love this packaging. And then the last eyeshadow palette that I own from Too Faced is the White Peach palette, which is another gorgeous palette. This is actually what I have on today. Just very pinky, peachy, orangey shades, a little bit of purple thrown in there. Yeah, definitely gorgeous. And again, I love the consistency of all their colors. I like the pigments. It is so shimmery, and look at that. It's like a really big mirror. It's like a really big mirror, and it comes with a lot of colors. So I also really like that about it. One more thing I want to say about the Peach palette is that the little card comes inside the box. It's like tucked inside. Most of them are actually in the palette. This one, I was almost disappointed because I thought it wasn't included, but it is included. So just watch out for that. Don't throw the box out because it is hiding in there, and you will want this because look at these pretty looks, like beautiful. Moving on to lip colors. So the La Creme lipsticks are my favorite ones. They are just very creamy and smooth and pretty. They have a very satiny look, very almost shiny but not. I don't know how to explain it, but they go on very smoothly and they feel really soft and luxurious when you wear them. And I love nude tones for my lips. I like bright colors sometimes, but the nude colors are just my favorite ones to wear. So some of my favorite ones are Naked Dolly. So it's a very light peach color, nude pinky peach color, and then very similar to it, let me see which one it is. Is Nude Beach, and I have two of these because I do love this one so much. It's a little bit darker than the Naked Dolly. It's more pink. It's more of like a mauvey pink color, but it is gorgeous, and this is what I'm wearing right now. Then this came with a set. I believe it came with Nude Beach and Taffy, and it came in this little container, or this little pouch with the 3 lipsticks, and now I just use it for hair tie or bobby pins. But like I said, they have really cute packaging, especially around the holidays, or they have just cute packaging, and they give you deals. I think I paid $30 for 3 lipsticks, which is a really good deal because they are full sized, and normally these are $22. So that was a great deal, and I got some really nice colors. So Nude Beach was one, and then this is called Wham. So it's just a very glittery, very holiday-esque color. And it looks a lot lighter than it is on camera, but it is a beautiful, beautiful, I wish I could show you the shimmer in this. It's just like a very purpley, glittery lip color. And the last one that came in the set, which I have worn this too, is called Taffy, and it is more of just a peach tone. So the difference between Nude Beach, which is more of like a mauve tone, this is more of a peachy tones. They are similar, they're in the same sort of color family, but they are just different shades and tones. And then where's my last one? Naked Dolly. And then Naked Dolly is your more, I would call this more like a true nude. So this is like a darker nude, this is the lighter nude, and then this is more of a peachy nude. But they're all very beautiful colors, so I love them all and wear them all. They also always send samples, so I have had different samples of things like the Shadow Insurance, which I've tried and I've really liked it. I have another little Chocolate Soleil, and this one I think I bought. They have like sample sizes, and this is $10. I do have a large Snow Bunny bronzer, but I don't know where it is. It's, for some reason I can't seem to find it. And then I also have this Cocoa Powder foundation, which again, you can tell I like their products because I've used them like all the way down to the pan. That's how much I love their products. And it does come with a little powder puff. I don't really use this unless it's like an emergency, or like when I'm out I'll use this because I don't bring brushes with me. But I do love that it's a little compact, it has everything that you need, and then it has a mirror. Now this is something really cute that I just kept it because it's just a reminder of that cute little collection that they had. They had a little, it was shaped like a carousel, and it had 6 of these inside. So some of them were eyeshadows, some of them were blushes or bronzers, and I ended up putting those in the Christmas gifts that I gave away. And this one is just a peach blush and the Sun Bunny bronzer, which is a really dark bronzer. But yeah, I just kept this because, I mean, you can tell, I just love Too Faced. Anytime they have like a new product, I like to go check it out and try it out. I also have one of their eyeliners, which again is somewhere and I can't find it, but I just have so many products from them and I absolutely love their line. So if you're looking for a new brand to check out, I would check out Too Faced. Like I said, they're great, especially for beginners, because in the eyeshadow packets, they literally have pictures of exactly what to do, from the eyeshadows down to the eyeliners. If it comes with a blush, you know, they'll show you the blush. So I just love this line. So in search for one thing, I found another, or a few things I totally forgot I had, which makes me so excited because these are such beautiful products as well. Too Faced came out with a Sweetheart blush, and this is a very peachy, it has 3 tones in there, very beautiful colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited that I found this because I have, this is the blush that I bought from that collection. And then these were Sweetheart beads. They were face powders. But sadly, like half of these or most of them fell on the ground. I dropped them on the floor, but I'm going to show you what they look like. They were little heart-shaped beads of different colors. Just very beautiful yellow, brown, and pink tones. So this is just such a beautiful powder. Like I said, I use this stuff like crazy. So it looks like all used up. But I'm so excited that I just found this because, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Then I have, oh my gosh, a sweet pink blush. I totally forgot I had this. This is the sweet pink blush. I'm not a big blush person, but looks like I did use this a lot in the past. But this is so beautiful, and sometimes I like to use colors like this even as lip colors. Like I'll put like a little bit of gloss on and then put the powder on and just kind of like set it on there and then mix it with some like the cream foundation, and it just looks so pretty. So definitely cute. And I'm so excited that I actually found my full-sized Snow Bunny bronzer. So yes, I do have a lot of Too Faced makeup and I do use it and I do love it. So I'm so glad that I got to share this with you guys today. So again, if you like this video, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel because I will be making more videos for you guys and I would really love for you to watch them, and hopefully it helps you, gives you some tips. I love fashion, I love beauty, I love everything in life. I love decorating, so I'll have some DIYs coming up. Please do stay tuned for more videos and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.